I'm Tom Soraya with Control Engineering. I'm here at Alacrity Yachts and repairing the hydraulic system on this boat Halcyon here. And what happened with this system is on the ram, this is a brand new replacement ram, but on this system, the ram extends into the water onto this bucket right here, onto the jet, and it was left in the water for quite some time. And so what happens is it pits. And as it pits, it ripped out the seals in there. So I'm now replacing this entire hydraulic ram and also the hydraulic package inside, which we make at our factory in Bangor, Maine.